In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Google My Business account. This is really useful if you're working with a marketing agency, a new staff member, or anyone who needs to help manage your business profile without sharing your personal login details. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, so feel free to follow along on your own computer as you listen. First, open your web browser and go to Google, just like you normally would. In the search bar, type the exact name of your business, the way it appears on your Google business profile. When the search results load, you should see your business appear, usually on the right-hand side or at the top, along with a set of editing options. This is where you manage your business profile directly from search. At the top of that business panel, look for the option that shows additional settings. It may appear as a 3-dot More Options icon. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Business Profile Settings. When you click it, a pop-up window will open on your screen with different settings for your profile. Inside this pop-up, look for the section labeled People and Access. Click that option. The pop-up will refresh, and now you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to your business profile, along with their roles. On this screen, you'll see an option to add someone new. Click on Add. The pop-up will refresh again, and this time you'll see a text field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to give access to. Type in their email carefully, making sure there are no typos because the invitation will be sent directly to that address. Below the email field, you'll see options to choose their access level, typically something like owner or manager. Select the role that matches what you want them to be able to do. As a general rule, give owner access only to people you fully trust, and use manager access if you just want them to help with posts, photos, messages, and basic updates. Once you've entered the email address and chosen the access level, click Invite. At this point, you're done on your side. All you need to do is wait for them to receive the email and accept the invitation. Once they accept, they'll appear in your list of users and they'll be able to help manage your Google My Business profile.